Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Ergo-Tek Mesh Manager Chair. Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad, backrest, arms, mechanism, gas strut cover, 5-star base, headrest. Part A, 5 casters. Part B, 7 bolts. Part C, 7 spring washers. Part D, 9 flat washers. Part E, 2 armrest bolts. Part F, 2 levers. Part G, 1 headrest bolt assembly and 1 Allen key. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Take the gas strut cover and place it over the gas strut like this. Hook the back into the mechanism like this. Take 3 bolts, part B, and put a spring washer, part C, on each bolt, followed with a flat washer, part D. Insert them through the back into the mechanism. Do not fully tighten at this stage. Next, take the 2 levers, part F, and push them into position on the mechanism. Now take the seat pad and place it against the back and mechanism, making sure the arrow on the seat pad is facing upwards. Ensuring you use the remaining 4 bolts, part B, the spring washers, part C, and the flat washers, part D, attach the mechanism to the seat base. Next, using the 2 armrest bolts, part E, and the 2 remaining flat washers, part D, insert and secure the armrests. Once this stage is complete, you can tighten all bolts. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Now, with the help of another person, place the assembled seat onto the gas strut like this. Finally, using the headrest assembly, part G, attach the headrest to the back of the chair like this. Please keep your Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it, the Ergo-Tek Mesh Manager Chair from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.